Hello everyone, my name is Aarna. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're very new over here, then welcome back to my channel. So today, which day is today? You know that? It's Mother's Day. It's the day where you show your love and kindness to your mother, to tell that you really love your mother and your mother really cared about you. So I'm going to give you some things you can write in cards, in letters to your mother, or you can also tell them to your mother. You can explain to your mother. So one thing is how to tell, nothing to explain. It's kind of a poem. Roses are red, violets are blue, you're so lovely and I love you. Okay, so the next one is mothers love the traits. Kind of short, of course. A mother's love is more beautiful than a fresh flower. Our mother is our best friend, first friend, forever friend. A mother is always the beginning. She is how things begin. My mother's the sun, my moon, and all the stars. I love you, my mother. Please take care of me a lot. And there's lots of other things which come in your mind. You can tell your mother, or if you want to use the word, so you can also tell them to your mother. I'm sure your mother will really love those words. And happy Mother's Day to you and all to your mom. It was a really fun time with you all. Now, when you can write your cards and give them to your mother and have fun. All the adults and kids who want to go and give the card, I think I have to go because I also have to give my gift to my mother. So bye, meet again.